How to delete Facebook birthday date. So if you want to delete your Facebook birthday date, then first of all open up your Facebook application and then go to the upper right corner which has the three bar icon, and then tap on your profile and tap on edit profile, and here go all the way down and tap on edit your about info. And if you scroll down here, you will have your birthday right under your basic info. Tap on edit, and then you can for now I have already hidden my birth date. So if you want to hide or if you want to delete that, then you can simply tap on that drop down bar, and then here you will have options public, friends, and only me. So if you have your birthday or birth date to public, then you have to tap on only me. And same with the year also. If you want to hide your year, then you can choose only me. And after that you will have a save option on the upper right side. You can simply tap on that save, and that's it. That's how you hide, or that's how you delete your Facebook birth date on your Facebook account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.